back to my channel. It is so good to see each and every one of you. Today is going to be my picks for the Sephora Summer Sweetest Deals promotion that they have going on right now. So buckle up. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think that you should buy in this promotion. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, first to start off, I want to thank Sephora so much for partnering with me in this video. I always love working with them. You know, I'm a huge fan. So if you are shopping this sale and want to get in on these deals, you want to make sure you use code WELCOMEBACK. This is for in-store and for online, which is awesome. There is no limit to how many times you can use this promotion in store. It is one-time use online, and what it is basically, I just have all my little notes here, you get $20 off of $100 and $15 off of $75, and this sale ends on August 23rd. So get into Sephora or get online and enjoy. So some of these are going to be ones that you've heard me talk about before because they are my favorite. Whenever Sephora does a promotion like this, it is something that you need to stock up on, stuff that you absolutely already love, or try some new stuff or a combination of both. So I'm going to walk you through the ones I feel like are definitely worth partaking in this promotion. So first being one you've heard me talk about forever. It's the brand new launch from Tatcha. I absolutely love this face wash. It is a creamy, gentle face wash. It's great for all skin types. It does have a slight rice texture in it, nothing aggressive. So it does give a gentle exfoliation that you can use twice a day if you see fit. I love this. I use this morning and night. Morning as my first cleanse and at night as my second cleanse. So I've really been enjoying this. This is actually new to me. This is what I ordered to do this promotion with Sephora. This is by Glow Recipe. This is their Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I have been using it for the past several, I think like a week and a half now. By the way, it smells delicious. It really gets rid of all of your makeup. So if you are a Glow Recipe fan and want to stay in brand, it's really lovely. It does a very good job. It does foam up into a gentle milky cleanser when you add water to it. It's huge. So this would last you at least 3 to 4 months. So, and I love the packaging. It looks really beautiful along with the Tatcha on my counter. This is definitely one that I would pick up if you are in the market for a new cleansing balm. And again, want to take part in the promotion. Okay, so you know that I'm super into natural deodorants. I have tried the Drunk Elephant one, and now I'm on to this one. This is the Kosas Sport. This is the Kosas Sport chemistry, fragrance-free natural deodorant. It actually has a roll on top, like do you remember back in the day? And it's gorgeous. So I got the fragrance-free one just because, again, I'm trying to limit fragrances, you know, in general. I love this. If I can get TMI, keeps me very dry, keeps everything kind of at bay, and it is one of the best performing natural deodorants that I've tried in a long time. So if you're a Kosas fan or looking for a new deodorant, this is fantastic. I love that it's stain free, so it doesn't get anything on your clothes, and it also has AHAs in it, so it does do a gentle exfoliation in this area, which is important because we want to keep that area a little bit gently exfoliated to keep kind of the stuff at bay that bother us throughout the day. So I do love the added AHAs in here. So now let's get to what I have on my face. So I actually have tried, this is new for me, this is the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. I have gotten light medium, so this would be my summer color. My winter color probably would just be one step down, which I am loving this. By the way, the foundations I'm talking about today are all going to be on Foundation Fridays over the next few weeks, so make sure you tune in. I've used this as a base before a more matte foundation. I've been loving this. So if you love the brand Smashbox and you're looking for just a really great tinted moisturizer, what I love about this is that it is very lightweight, but it has great staying capacity from what I have worn it. And it does has SPF 25. We know we want to not rely on our makeup for, you know, SPF, but it does have some SPF in it. But I think it does have a healthy glow to it, but I would say it's perfect for that dry, normal, and combination skin types would love this. And again, a lot of us are using these type of things as bases before we wear our full coverage foundation, so we don't have to use as much. Now today, this is the one I'm trying out. This is the Born This Way Matte 24-Hour Foundation by Too Faced, and it is definitely matte, and you know I'm a drier skin type, so I need something hydrating underneath. So I normally would use the Josie Maran like tinted SPF or something of that nature, but I decided to try, you know, the Smashbox one. But I think it looks gorgeous, don't you? And I actually did not set this foundation. I only set under the eyes. And again, I'm gonna be doing a Foundation Friday on this, but it is so far, for me, the way I did it, I think it looks gorgeous. And no need to, you know, no need to set it. So if you are looking for a longer wearing matte foundation, this might be one that you can try. You can also add a little bit of moisturizer to it to make it a little bit more glowy if you want the long wearing capability. I have worn this with my mask, and I will say that it didn't come off as much as some of the other foundations I have had on my mask, so that's a bonus. This is also a new find for me. I bought this. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation and Skincare. And I would say that this foundation is more for, I would say, normal, dehydrated, and combination skin types. It is more of a light medium coverage. It's more of a runaround foundation. I'm in color 22, and this is definitely going to be my winter color. But again, I'll give you guys a full review on a Friday coming up. But the reason why they say it's skincare is that it has hyaluronic acid in it and aloe vera. It also has Hep's acid, which basically gently exfoliates the skin. That's not aggressive, so don't get nervous about that. It's very just gentle, so if you wear it on a daily basis, it does a gentle exfoliation. And it also has vitamin E and B5. And so that's obviously to help prevent, you know, to fight free radicals and etc. So it does have some, you know, some skincare in it. I've been enjoying running around and wearing that as well. All right, let's get into these goodies, what I have on my eyes. You all wanted me to try the caviar sticks from Laura Mercier. And that's basically what I have on my eyes right now. I don't have the purple one on, but I have the other two on, which is khaki and caramel. They're just so beautiful. And then I also have on this. So if you guys, I get asked a question a lot about long wearing eyeliners. For people that maybe are contact wearers or glasses wearers, or people that do have more of a watery eye or a sensitive eye. These are gorgeous. This is by Milk Makeup. Like I said, it's the long wear gel eyeliner. What I love is that it is super creamy, really, really easy to use, and then it has a smudger on the end, which is one of my favorite things to do with eyeliner. That's what I have going on right here. I've smudged out that brown liner. And these are extremely long wearing. I've been wearing them during the summer, and they have not, you know, they have not ran or come off. All right, for our last few things that I think are absolutely showstoppers, I'm gonna just have to say it. You know that I'm loving the new Hourglass mascara. You've seen me use it on my channel a million times. It's a tubing mascara, so again, for those of you guys that have sensitive eyes or watery eyes or contact wearers, tubing mascara is where it's at. I actually have it on my bottom lashes right now. So this is definitely one I will repurchase for sure. And then actually on my top lashes right now, this is a brand new mascara, but this is from Urban Decay. It's called Lash Freak. Wow, can you see that? Let me see if I can go like that. It is so good. The brush is really interesting and different. It's kind of like, I don't even know, it's like angled. I love this. This is flake-free, smudge-free, long-wearing. So it'd be another great one for sensitive eyes, but I love it. I mean, this is only one coat of mascara. So Urban Decay did a really nice job on this. These guys I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is by a brand called Iconic London. And I'll be honest, this is the first time I've ever really been introduced to the brand. So if you guys have tried this brand out, comment below. I would love to hear if there's more products from this brand. I love Berry Boom and Fresh Faced. So what these they are sheer blushes. They go on like an absolute dream. You can see that I'm wearing them with a full coverage foundation right now, but I've worn them with the Kosas Tinted Oil Foundation, and it just looks like the most beautiful summer skin, barely there, kind of hint like, oh, I was at the pool, but we can't go to pools. You know what I mean? I love it. Again, I have it on right now, and I just think that they're so easy to use, and they definitely will be on my list for my favorite cream products of this year because I just think they're just stellar. I have actually been known to use a little bit on the eye, just a touch, and they do look gorgeous. So, but this is actually something that it kind of piqued my interest. This is the new Natasha Denona Bronze Cheek Face Glow Palette. So right here are going to be more of your cushion highlighter and bronzer. What I mean by that is they have a little bounce to it. So they're more like a cream. Again, I have on this highlighter right now, right here, okay? And then I have this on as my bronzer, right there. This is something that I would use as an eyeshadow. So I actually would combine these two together, but I think it's beautiful. They're highly pigmented, very well performing, high performing shades. And this is one of my very first Natasha Denona products. I do have her mini eye palettes, which I've talked about a million times that I think are so awesome, the mini ones. But this is a really beautiful palette that will last you probably half a year to a year, and will just give you that summer glow all year round. So I was really impressed with this, and I do love a good cushion bronzer and highlighter, so I'm looking forward to being able to try that. All right, I can't let you get away without telling you what's on my lips. Now, you know I'm kind of obsessed with Bite Beauty, and they have this. Look how cute this is. Look how cute she is. This is the Mini Power Move Cream Matte Lip Crayon Set. So here they are. I've taken them out so I can show you guys what they are. So they're kind of loose, but they just sit in this little thing here. These are the colors of them. I think that there's such a nice wide range of colors, and actually the Bite lettering on it, if you guys can see, will tell you the different colors. So that one's like a little bit deeper. This one, as you can see, is a little bit lighter, so it's easy for you to tell what they are. You know, Bite Beauty is 100% food grade cosmetics. I have supported them for a long time. I've been to their lab in San Francisco. They're an amazing company. So I do have that on today. And then I can't finish this little Sephora haul without telling you that you gotta get the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip gloss. I can't tell you how many, and I have it over that, by the way. So I have the Bite underneath, the matte, and then I have this on top of it. I cannot tell you how many times I post a picture on Instagram or do a video and y'all are like, what is on your lips? It is this every day, all day. I mean, I'm obsessed with this. So during this promotion, this is one of the things I'm gonna stock up on for sure. So, woo, we made it. These honestly are just such very, like, they're really rock star products, and they are worth the money at this time. I know that a lot of us are going through things, but we look to makeup to be inspired, to take us away from some of our daily things that are going on. And I think that these products have really brought me a lot of joy, and you can tell I'm kind of excited about these new things. So I hope you are too. Let me know in the comment section what you are buying during this promotion, and I'll have everything in the description box so you guys can see. And thank you again so much to Sephora for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate working with you, and I'm sending love out to each and every one of you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.